a lot of Zack Sabre Jr.'s moves, basically.
Yeah. Favorite
Son
character.
coup de pied préféré.
Uh, Time Adventure from Speedball.
Oh yeah, that's actually a really good one. I was gonna say the. I was gonna like say
Je lui ai dit que j'allais plutôt, je voyais plutôt,
but let's
je
No,
la voyais
but
plutôt dire le coup de pied
if
de
you
question mark.
are a martial artist and you look at the way Speedball does that kick, it's like what the hell? That
no,
is the
yes, yeah.
ultimate, yeah, technique.
Speedball is like no, yeah. Speedball is like a fucking. He's probably my favorite like indie wrestler right now, and I just like dudes who kick.
Je lui ai
I
dit
like.
que Speedball c'est un de mes catcheurs
Okay,
préférés.
so where was I? Yeah.
Voilà.
So you did.
Là maintenant je vais lui dire son gear préféré, sa tenue
Uh,
préférée.
for me, when I did Master Chief, for other wrestlers, I really like Asuka's gear. Um, but I also love Kenny Omega's Sephiroth gear for yeah.
Yes. Favorite match.
Son match favori.
I'm split with two, so it will be the first Okada Omega match, and then it will be Nakamura versus Zayn, Takeover Dallas, and also Io Sky versus Rhea Ripley versus Bianca Belair from WrestleMania.
Le match auquel elle a participé qu'elle a le plus aimé.
Yeah.
C'est ça la prochaine question.
Oh, favorite match you and Punk.
That will be Kid Bandit versus Drexel, Devil's Playground rules for Prestige in Oregon. This is the match with the barbed keyblade. So yeah.
Oh yeah.
Also because it meant a lot to me. Drexel has been one of my mentors. I don't have a lot of people that have been very openly supportive of my journey, and Drexel has been one of those.
Okay, then why did you fight a giant
Là, c'est une autre question. Là, c'est une question normale. Pourquoi Je lui demande pourquoi est-ce qu'elle a
That will
affronté
be for
une
the Foot
grosse
Clan
boîte de
Golden
céréales.
Gig championship over in Oakland. And my opponent was Serial Man, who was the current reigning champion at the time. And basically, yeah, no, it was one of my favorite matches. I think it was my third match back. So yeah, no, it was really fun.
and all, yeah, and it was I thought it was really one-sided because you kicked the
Ensuite, je lui ai dit
shit
que
out
le
of
match
him.
était vraiment
Like
à sens unique parce qu'elle a pas arrêté de lui
I
défoncer la
you
gueule
didn't
avec
even
ses
stand
kicks.
a fucking
C'était incroyable.
chance. You didn't even breathe.
Oh, but that's the thing too. Is like I know it seems one sided, but it felt like a boss battle in Elden Ring, where like yeah,
Oh
I'm
yeah.
getting all the attacks, but if every time he gets me, I lose like a huge chunk of my health bar. So yeah,
Yeah, I get it.
that felt like.
Favorite. I need to wait. I need to think about it. Favorite title.
Son titre préféré.
In general, it will be probably be the old IWGP Heavyweight Championship design, but as far as like the championships I've gotten, it will be the Golden Gig that we just previously talked about.
Yep, yep. Favorite shit. Favorite tag team. Favorite wrestler you tag with.
Son
So
catcheur
my
préféré avec,
favorite
avec
tag team
lequel
partner would
elle
be
a
Jaden
travaillé
from
avec.
Oregon. Just because we just have this magnificent chemistry that I'm just like and it's a shame that we don't get to tag very often. And also my best friend Ishmael Vaughn, which he betrayed me, so but like we did start our wrestling journeys from day one. So I do love tagging with him. We did get to tag in AEW Dark and stuff. And fun fact, when we came back to our local indie promotion in Barstow, California, the mayor of the city came and congratulated us because we were on TV together, and that was yeah, that was a highlight of my career. And I was like, really cool. Yes, absolutely.
Cool. That's actually really awesome.
Right. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So let's back to. Okay, we have like yeah 4 minutes
Je lui
left.
dis que là, on a vraiment genre
So
30
let's go
secondes.
back to
Non, quoi
actual questions like
Ouais, à peu près 30
actual
secondes.
questions.
Donc, et là, je lui ai dit qu'on va finir la question, on va finir l'interview avec la question la
So
plus cliché
you
possible.
reference a lot of like anime.
Ah non,
You have a
pardon,
lot of
c'est
anime
vrai. Avant,
references.
je lui demande d'où vient son idée d'utiliser l'esthétique des mangas
Gear also.
comme,
Gear.
comme personnage principal, si vous voulez.
Why is aesthetic in your wrestling style and gear and
Uh,
character?
there's always this like popular saying in wrestling that the best gimmicks are the ones where it's you turned up to 11. And when I'm not playing, when I'm not wrestling, I'm and partying. I'm at home playing video games, watching anime. You know, very immersed in the culture. Ever since I was a kid. I was the type of person to Naruto run to the lunch tables when I was like younger. So, to be able to like maintain that level of childhood innocence all the way to my adulthood, like I'm very grateful for that. And also because I realized that at once upon a time it was frowned upon to be like very immersed into that culture. Like, I got bullied for it, but now it's more culturally accepted. In fact, it's cool to be into anime. So that's something that I've realized. Like I'll be myself. I'll be myself and hope that it's good enough for people. And thankfully, it is.
Yeah, that's it, because we actually see a lot of you in your character.
Là, je lui
That
dis que dans son personnage, on la retrouve beaucoup, on retrouve sa personnalité.
yeah, that's actually something that
Excusez-moi.
like a key thing that made you one of my favorite wrestlers, because we actually don't have
Et
a lot
c'est
of
un
artists
des trucs
uh,
principaux qui fait que
actually
c'est une de mes catcheuses préférées en ce moment.
portrays the gimmick like you do. Actually, I think so.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah. I think that in a world of kayfabe, it's always the stuff that's genuine that will always like resonate more with fans.
so we're gonna go with the I guess last question because we don't have
Voilà,
much
là
time
c'est la
left,
dernière question
and
et
we're
je
gonna
vais
go
lui
with the
donner la
most
question la plus
cliche
cliché possible
question.
pour finir une interview.
Kid Bandit.
Qu'est-ce qu'elle va faire ensuite? C'est quoi la suite pour Kid Bandit? Est-ce qu'elle va être signée? Est-ce qu'elle va rester chez les
Is gonna
indies?
stay living
Qu'est-ce qu'elle va
in
faire?
the Indies or something?
I don't know. I don't know. I know I'm in the world tour right now, and it actually just got extended. I got word that I have another month of world tour coming up. So but I can't talk about it yet. But
Okay.
other than that, what's next? I don't know. I'm gonna go wherever the wind takes me. Whether or not that's gonna be signed on TV, whether that's gonna be in the Indies, maybe I'm gonna be a promoter again. Like I just know that I need to stand on business about the beliefs that I have, the morals I have, because in this day and age, the world is dark, but wrestling can be a bright light for people that need to escape this dystopic world that we are gradually like descending into fascism in, right? So, this. As an entertainer, I've always believed that art plays a pivotal factor in like shaping the world that we're in, and if the way that I could fight this like like this growing darkness is through my craft, then I will do my best. And if I can get it done in a national level, like through AEW or getting signed somewhere, like it'll be great. But at the same time, I'm not gonna hold myself to have that pressure over me. Like if I get there, it will be because it was organic, not because like I forced myself to get there. And I want to earn. I want to earn my spots. I want to pull my weight, earn my spots, and feel like it's well deserved. So
Voilà. Donc à la fin, à, co- à cause de la limite que Zoom met sur ses personnes, sur sa version gratuite, l'appel s'est directement coupé. Du coup, j'aimerais remercier Kid Bandit pour thank you Kid Bandit for the time you lent me and for accepting my interview. Et voilà, donc j'espère que vous avez kiffé cette interview. J'ai fait de mon mieux pour me remettre un peu euh, le, le, le redoublage. J'ai essayé de faire mon mieux. Donc voilà, j'espère que ça vous a plu. Et on se retrouve pour la prochaine interview avec, avec Alex Kane, mesdames et messieurs. Bonne journée. Ah oui, et pour ce qui s'est passé, pour j'imagine la news du moment, hein, on va pas se mentir, j'ai déjà tout dit sur Twitter. Donc je vais pas donner de tribune, je vais pas mettre plus d'éclairage, de lumière sur ça encore. Donc voilà, mesdames et messieurs, je vous dis à très bientôt. Et bien sûr, mesdames et messieurs, n'oubliez pas, vive le catch.